This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Apple ID, password, and two-factor authentication method are working. Log into Icloud. Apple. Com to check trusted devices and recovery options, and make sure iCloud Mail is toggled on in settings. This enables the service. Once done, sync time and network. Incorrect date/time or flaky Wi-Fi can block mail delivery. Keep a secondary email or recovery phone nearby for verification codes. These steps prevent needless lockouts and prepare you for the next fixes. You now diagnose the middle steps. Start by removing and re-adding the iCloud account in mail settings. This refreshes authentication tokens and often restores delivery. Next, inspect mail rules and blocked senders. Hidden filters can divert messages. Check iCloud storage. If full, mail stalls, so delete large attachments or upgrade storage. If problems persist, reset network settings or toggle mail sync off and back on to force a resync. This clears cached errors and lets the server re-establish a clean connection. You finish by verifying success. Send test messages to and from different accounts and check on another device to confirm sync across platforms. If mail still fails, sign out of iCloud on the device, reboot, and sign back in. This clears persistent session issues. Make sure mail settings like aliases and forwarding are correct. If everything fails, use account recovery and contact Apple support. They can reset server-side settings. Remember this one key troubleshooting tip. Back up important message content before any account re-sign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.